Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create another Roblox account on the same device. So obviously you're going to want to log in onto your home page, and then on your Roblox there should be a gear icon in the top right. You want to click on that and it should say settings, help or log out. Then from there you want to click on log out, and it will either take you to this page to log in, or it will take you to this page to create an account. All you have to do is log in or create an account, and then you'll be back in Roblox. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe and like, it really helps me and it's free.